So, Capitun.shop is basically an online store presenting itself as a UK retailer, with products ranging from home decor to other shopping categories. The website looks polished, but there are a few things the marketing doesn't really tell you. The biggest concern is the site's very limited independent reputation. Grindinsoft currently rates it as suspicious with a 35 out of 100 trust score and notes a security provider warning. ScamAdvisor also currently recommends caution and reports a very low trust score. I'd also be careful with the company's online history. ScamDoc reports that the domain was only created in May 2026, which means there's not a long track record of customers to rely on. So, is Capitun.shop a scam? I wouldn't state that as a proven fact, but there are enough warning signs that I'd personally avoid rushing into an order. Overall, the website may look legitimate, but the lack of an established reputation and the security warnings would make me pause. If you do buy, use a payment method with strong buyer protection and make sure you understand the return policy first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.